Louie, today we're going to learn about God creating the animals.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's listen to the story, Louie. Day 5 and day 6, God created the birds and the fish and all the animals. Crabs skittered along sandy beaches and giant whales jumped in the sea. Birds chirped, elephants trumpeted, lions roared, and mice squeaked as the earth began teeming with life. That is found in Genesis 1:20 through 25. What animals do you like the best, Louie? Louie, what animals do you like the best? Louie, what animals do you like the best? What animals do you like the best, Louie?
I want a dog.
A dog, okay.
I want a cat.
And a cat. Okay, well, we can give thanks to God for this too. Have a good day.
Hello.
Hello.